In this video, I'll walk you through installing the MobileCoin Payments plugin for WooCommerce on WordPress. MobileCoin is a relatively new cryptocurrency developed under the technical guidance of cryptographer Moxie Marlins-Pike, the designer of the communication protocol used in instant messaging applications such as Signal Private Messenger, and later implemented by WhatsApp. Where MobileCoin differs from other cryptocurrencies is in its strong focus on privacy, speed, and transaction throughput. Apart from being integrated into instant messaging applications like Signal, there are also official desktop wallets for Linux and macOS, and mobile wallets for Android and iOS available. The first thing we'll do is install a fresh copy of WordPress. I'll walk you through the process. After selecting the language, we need to provide some information about the database we'll use on our server. This information can be obtained from your web host. After filling in the information, we can run the installation. Now we need to provide a title for our website and create the administrator user. We can now continue installing WordPress, after which we can log in for the first time with the new user we created. We now have a basic copy of WordPress installed and can continue to customize it. The first thing that we'll do is go to the plugins and search for the WooCommerce plugin. Once the plugin has been found, we can click on the Install button to install the plugin. After the installation, we can activate the plugin and go through the setup wizard. We now have to fill in some basic information about our online shop. Give me a moment while I go through these steps. How are you doing today, by the way? Nice, that's good to hear. Okay, we're just about finished here. And finally, we can select a theme to use for our online shop. For this demo, we're going to use the free storefront theme. After the theme has been installed, we can continue to configure WooCommerce by going to the Settings page. On the Accounts and Privacy page, we can allow our customers to register on our website when making a purchase. Now it's time to design our storefront from the WooCommerce homepage. We'll create a default homepage for our store and add some sample products to get started. After the homepage has been created, we can customize the way it looks if needed. When we've finished setting up our homepage, we can head on over to the MobileCoin Payments plugin repository on GitHub and download the plugin. When the plugin has been downloaded, we need to upload the plugin to the plugins folder on the web server. There are various ways to do this, but today we'll be using the file manager that comes with cPanel. Most hosting providers provide access to cPanel to manage your website. Contact your hosting provider for the details. Once we've logged onto our web server with File Manager, we can navigate to the Plugins subfolder in the WordPress content folder and upload our plugin. When the plugin zip file has been uploaded, we can extract its contents into the plugins folder. The plugin zip file can then be deleted. We're then left with the MobileCoin Payments plugin subfolder inside the plugins folder. We can continue setting up the plugin in WordPress. First, we head on over to the plugins page in WordPress and then activate the MobileCoin Payments plugin. After the plugin has been activated, we can continue setting up our store. We won't be charging any sales tax because taxation is theft. We can now head on to the settings page for WooCommerce and over to the Payments tab. There we can enable MobileCoin as a payments option during checkout in WooCommerce. Click on the Setup button to configure the plugin. We'll need to fill in our unique API keys, which can be obtained by sending an email to payments@mobilecoin.com. The MobileCoin payment option should now be available on our website during checkout. We'll try it out by adding a product to our shopping cart and proceeding to the checkout page. As you can see, the MobileCoin payment gateway can be selected as a payment option. That wasn't so hard, right? Now you can also be a part of the coming revolution in e-commerce, where security, privacy, speed and negligible transaction fees will be the norm. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.